Killing you is not my task. But soon, another will come. And if he finds you still resistant to your destiny, he will demonstrate the error of your ways, and this whole planet will pay the price. I pray you come to your senses before then.
It's been months, Mark. Months since 2,000 retirees got their vacation cruise ruined, and you got your ass kicked by some second cousin of your dad's who dropped in to prove a point.
Hey.
That point being that she could kick your ass without breaking a sweat.
That's not nice.
Not only that, she promised Mr. 10 times worse was on his way.
Stand ready for my arrival.